God.
Candy corn.
Oh, hi! I'm Pi. Nice to meet ya. Pi divided by 2 equals half pi.
Candy.
El Magnifico!
Yikes! Just one more topping. A peanut!
Just relax, Dougie.
What a nice Halloween.
Yeah, everything's great. We all have costumes, that is, except for those new guys.
Yeah.
No! Mantis boy! No! R.I.P. Mantis.
Candy.
Gosh dang it! Ah, man, god dang it! Ah!
We're going to stay calm and think things through, just like you taught us.
You were all shaky, like this. Sheep, look ahead!
Leave me. Put me down. Now, please.
What do we do? I don't know.
What do you mean?
Aha, Toro, come on!
Oh, I must still be hungry.
For Animal, it's always wild time.
Thank you.
Hey, Pi, watch this. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Ooh, let me try. Pi divided by 2 equals half pi.
Oh, I'm sorry. I can't hear you over my drum playing.
Fine.